Hi, this is Jason West. How you doing? And in this video, I want to talk to you about Kartra's blog system and what it really is. There's a lot of confusion as to whether Kartra has a built-in blog or not. So let's put that to rest in this video. I'm going to show you exactly what it does have. So first of all, I'm in Kartra right now. If we go to My Pages on the left-hand side of the menu there and click New Page, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look down these options. There's many different types of pages that you can create, or you can just create one from scratch if you want to by just clicking Launch Builder. But if you want to use one of their templates such as squeeze pages, video sales pages, all of that stuff, you can do that. Now what Kartra has is just down the bottom here, and this was largely done really, I believe, because so many people asked Kartra, can you do a blog? And so Kartra at the moment, at the time of doing this video, don't really want to go down the blog route. There is nobody else really that does it as well as a WordPress, of course. And think about the complexity of WordPress alone. There's so many factors and so many different things that you can do with WordPress. It's just absolutely built for blogging from the ground up with, like, I don't even know how many years of refinement now, like 10 years and hundreds of different programmers all putting in their effort and energy into it. So it's quite something, you know, to actually have another company come up and build a blogging platform from scratch and make it as good as WordPress would take an eternity and cost millions and millions of pounds. So Kartra has focused on what it is they do best, which is to create this all-in-one marketing system, amazing landing pages, checkout, and all the rest of it. So this is what they do have, is they give you the option to create posts or pages on Kartra that look like a blog post. So to get that clear, we are creating a lookalike blog. It does not act like a blog with all of the navigation and the pinging of the search engines and all of that stuff that WordPress does, for example. So they've given you a load of different templates here, and they are really good. They definitely look like the part. Let's just take this one, for example, here. You can see a preview of it and what it would look like. So all you're doing is kind of faking a blog. And if I select this one, and we'll actually create a page, we'll just call it blog post 1. I won't bother putting it into a category. Let's put it in no category in particular. There we go. And let's get it up here. So it's just going to load the page builder as normal. And this is a standalone page that is linked to from nowhere at this point. So you would have to adjust this. You know, you'd have to put in your navigation, which is pretty easy, because all you would do is create it somewhere else on your website, save it as a template, and then you can add it in here. So for example, if we go to sections, favorite blocks, you could have saved your navigation there and then just drag it over to this fake blog post here. And then you can have your main site navigation here like this. Now, very shortly, Kartra will be launching Kartra Sites, which will enable you to use this same navigation, and it will update everywhere across your website. But for the moment, you're creating a perfectly done navigation bar, you're saving it, and then if you update this at any point, you will need to update this on every single page as it stands right now. But that is going to be changing very soon so that you've got a universal header and footer capability, so you don't have to keep updating it on every single page, which is another reason, like right now, this second, this would be a nightmare to try and do a blog. If you had loads of pages and loads of blog posts, you're going to have to update every single one to make sure they're all using the navigation, the right navigation. And then if you were to change any link, you're going to need to update the navigation for every page you do. So it's not really designed to be doing tons and tons of blog posts. But this is it here. As you can see, it is a fantastic copy, if you like, of the way a blog would look. But as I say, it is not going to function like one. If you want to do a blog post, you're going to have to create a page like this. Then you're going to have to go through and edit the page bit by bit, you know, selecting new images and everything. Let's just say that we want to put in a new image here of, say, a mountain. We'll go to our royalty-free images, which is a great feature of Kartra's, by the way. Select that, and then now we've put our image in there. And if it's too big, you can obviously adjust it. There we go, like that. And then put it in the center line if you want to. So what you're really doing is you're creating a page that looks like a blog post. And that is it. And then when you're done with that, and remember, you'd have to adjust all of these as well, these little recent posts and stuff. So the best way, in my opinion, to use this is if you don't really want to do blogging, but you might have, say, 4 or 5 blog posts that you would like to have on your website to make it look like you are doing blogging and to give some information away to your site visitors. But for actual, regular, consistent blogging, I wouldn't do it. It just doesn't make any sense. It would take you forever to do that. Instead, you could do what I've done, which is to put it on a subdomain. If I just drop this down here like this. So I've put blog.jasonwest.com. So this is a full WordPress blog, you know, usual stuff, dead easy to whip out a decent blog posts. All the navigation's done for you, all of this kind of stuff. All your categories are automated. As you do a blog post, you can tick your category and it will create that category for you. And then this part here, all these are the same links I've got on my main site. So if we, for example, go to my funnel shop, watch the URL now, it will switch to jasonwest.com. And then vice versa, I've got the link there and the header of my main Kartra powered site going back to my blog, which is blog.jasonwest.com. So the website, the WordPress part of it is on a subdomain. And that's the only real way you can do it. You can have the two of them together, WordPress and Kartra. But as I say, for blogging and for doing it regularly, I think you've got to forget Kartra, to be honest with you. It is just creating a fake blog page. You can even create a fake homepage of a blog. And there you can see again, they've done a great job of creating these. Let's just take a look at this one, for example. If we just select this and launch builder, this would be quite kind of good if you wanted to create an advertorial. For example, if you wanted to create like an advertorial that you were sending Facebook ad traffic to, that was then, promoting something, or an affiliate post that's sort of made to look like a normal blog post, but in actual fact, it's driving traffic to an affiliate offer or something, then this would be really good for that. Because look at it. I mean, that is 100% a fantastic looking WordPress blog right there, but it is as fake as you like. And you are going to have to edit every single page of this, every element of this, every time you do a new blog post. You could do it once and then duplicate the page and then just add in your new blog post here. But even so, it's going to be quite the task. And you need to make sure it looks good on a tablet, which these do. They look a beautiful looking site. Click mobile. Yep, again, looks really good on mobile too. So this is a great blog post example. So don't get confused about Kartra and blogging. Two different things. Really, Kartra is a page builder. Yes, you can build a website with it, but no, it's really not designed to be having an automated updating blog. And hopefully that's clarified everything for you. So for now, my advice is to do it on blog.jasonwest.com. Well, no, not on there. On your own blog, .yourdomainname.com. And if you need any help with actual funnels already done for your main Kartra site, I can help you there. Just go to jasonwest.com/funnel shop and you will see all of my pre-made funnels in Kartra so that you can quickly put together an amazing campaign to help grow your business. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope that's cleared things up, and I'll see you again real soon.